Have you ever needed to generate an image for a project, but struggle to come up with an idea? Or maybe you have an idea, but you don't have the artistic talent to bring it to life. Yeah, same with me. I have idea, but I don't have artistic talent. So, say hi to the lexica. Lexica is an AI tool that can create image based on what you describe in words. You tell Lexica what you want to see, and it uses its smarts to make an image that fits the description. But sometimes it's not easy to create specific description or prompt for Lexica to process. So we will use chat-gpt to create prompt for Lexica. Okay, I have teach chat-gpt to generate prompt for Lexica specifically for print-on-demand design. So it will use keyword t-shirt, white background, texture. Okay, after we get prompt from chat-gpt, let's go to the lexica website. We can go to the lexica.art. Then we can paste our prompt from chat-gpt to the describe field and use negative prompt, blurry and colorful, so it will not contain many colors. Here it is. Lexica generate 4 images for us. We can download them, but remember, Lexica is free and Lexica have limit access action monthly, so we will carefully on bringing action like prompting or downloading. Okay, for the next step, open the image on the image editor. I use Figma here, and we can see that our image is good enough, but it's pixelated to print on demand purpose, so we will convert to the vector. I have found the website to convert the image to the vector. It's called Vectorize. It's still beta and it's free for now, but we don't know for the future it will be pricing or not. Let's use it for, yeah, we have to buy it. And then we just have to drop the image here, and the website will process the image to the vector. We can see here the difference between the original image and the result. It's good actually. We just have to download it. I use SVG format here, and group by we can choose one of them. It will affect that on the file SVG structure on the image editor will look like. Oh yeah, I forgot something. Why I chose SVG instead of PNG, because on the Figma I'm unable to delete background right here, so I have to convert to SVG. It will be layer by layer, and I can choose which one the background is and delete it from the layer. We can see here there is a hole in our image. I have to fill it manually, so I use pen tool here, and yeah, fill it by white color. Okay, we have done here, and maybe we just to resize the image from the 1000 pixel to 2000, because print on demand usually using more than 1,500 pixel. Okay, so we done here, and thank you for watching this video. We can see the difference about before vectoring and after. It's very good, I think. Okay, thank you for watching video, and see you. Bye bye. Thank you.